One of the most exciting aspects of this particular ribbon cutting is that there's been so much strong student engagement, but you're going to see the students' creative footprint in lots of different things related to this. You'll certainly see some beautiful work in the art gallery. The bags that are your tote bags to walk away with were designed by our student club.
I know firsthand how much this place will mean to so many students. It's just not a building. It's a gateway to opportunity. It's a place where stories will be told, where students will be able to share their voice. Some students will walk in here knowing that they belong. Others, like me, will find a windy road and be able to get here. For me, this department represents more than just an expansion of our school. It represents possibility. No matter where you start, it's never too late to find your passion. And I couldn't be happier here, standing here, looking in the future and waiting for all the filmmakers that walk through that door. Thank you guys.